Mr. Maruti Bapu Pawar was born into a poor agriculturist family. He needed to assume responsibility for his family at a young age. Because his family could not afford to support his education, Mr. Maruti Pawar decided to pursue an ITI course after completing his 12th standard.
कमवा आणि शिका इस बेस पे मेरा 5th से एजुकेशन स्टार्ट हुआ। स्कूल में सुबह शाम पानी भरना, छुट्टी के दिन खेत पे रोड पे काम के लिए जाना और उसी से एजुकेशन एंड कपड़ा लत्ता और खाने का ये हो जाता। 5th to 10th हमारे गांव में स्कूल में एजुकेशन लेने के बाद हर स्टैंडर्ड में हर साल फर्स्ट आया। 11, 12 हमारे बाजू वाले एक 20-25 किलोमीटर के यहाँ एक शुगर मिल के यहाँ स्कॉलरशिप पे मुझे साइंस कॉलेज में एडमिशन मिला। 11, 12 करने के बाद वहाँ भी टॉपर रहा।
After finishing his ITI training, he got a low-paying job as a factory helper. Mr. Maruti Pawar faced financial difficulties early in his career. He couldn't afford a cycle and had to take out a loan with an EMI of Rs 35. Mr. Maruti Pawar was laser-focused on his task. His bosses praised him for his dedication to the work at hand. He established a solid reputation among his co-workers and managers. His honesty encouraged his seniors to suggest that Mr. Maruti Pawar pursue an engineering degree. Mr. Pawar completed his engineering course while working full-time. His engineering degree assisted in the advancement in the organization's ranks. Mr. Maruti advanced to the rank of junior engineer and continued to contribute significantly to his work. Mr. Pawar began to receive good job offers from some of the top organizations. He acquired the faith and confidence of his management in all of the companies where he worked. Nobody could fail to notice Mr. Maruti Pawar's genuineness in his work.
14 मार्च 1988 में मेरी शादी हुई और शादी के बाद मेरी पत्नी दुर्गा वो मेरे साथ मेरे कंधे में कंधा लगा के मुझे प्रोत्साहित करती रही कि अब अकेले नहीं है, अभी मैं साथ में हूँ। मेरा एनर्जी और बढ़ गई जिससे मैं आगे बढ़ने की और कोशिश कर रहा था। हमने एक साइकिल ली उसी टाइम 35 रुपीज़ पर मंथ EMI पे और अपना रेगुलर कामकाज चालू किया हूँ।
Mr. Maruti Pawar received a solid offer for a senior post in 2003 with a good financial package that included perks such as a car and a house. This also meant relocating to a different city. Mr. Maruti Pawar considered working for himself rather than for another organization. He was willing to forego the security of a paying job. He had strong support from his wife and he turned down the job offer. Mr. Maruti Pawar founded Amptronics in 2004. Mr. Maruti Pawar was in his late 30s and had roughly 2 decades of experience.
दूसरा एक नौकरी का अपॉइंटमेंट आया था कलकत्ता से 80,000 सैलरी और कार ऑल फैसिलिटी, बट वो हमने छोड़ दिया बिकॉज मिसेज बोली कि किसी की गुलामगिरी या किसी की नौकरी करने के बजाय खुद का अपन भले कम मिला इसमें अपन काम करेंगे। और 2004 में मैंने मेरा पहला अपना ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की मूर्त में रख दी।
Within 2 years, in 2006, they received their first large order for the Ghana project from Kirloskar Brothers Limited. Year after year, they began to land good projects. The breadth and size of projects grew as well. Amptronics Techno Private Limited is currently a full-service system engineering and services firm with a global presence.
ऐसे टेक्नोलॉजी की खोज करना है जिसके जरिए प्रोडक्टिविटी और क्वालिटी दोनों को मेंटेन करते हुए दुनिया के छोटे से छोटा स्टील मैन्युफैक्चर को उसे इस्तेमाल कर सके, ये मेरा सपना विजन मैंने रखा।
Though his life is a bicycle to Mercedes story, he never imagined it in this way. His success formula has been pure dedication and hard work. His roots have been the source and energy of his life. Maruti Pawar belonged to the Warkari Sampradaya, a Maharashtra subsect. Warkaris' main emphasis in social life is on individual sacrifice, forgiveness, simplicity, peaceful coexistence, compassion, non-violence, love and humility. This magnificent life path is founded on honesty and hard work.